Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is Mana Dill. Located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Mana Projects. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, with the current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, we are right now at the marketing office of Mana Dill. And now about the land parcel where the construction work is going on is just in front of the marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this beautiful miniature. So this project will be constructed on total 7 acres of land parcel with total of 682 premium apartments with 6 towers with 2 basement ground plus 28 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium apartment. Now about the location pattern, this project is located near Gattahalli Road of Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore. And let me show you, this will be the main road of the project. So in front will be the main entrance of the project and this road will take you towards Gopal Krishna Adiga Road. And now about the further connectivity and location. So Amblipura Sarjapur Road is just 3.5 kilometers from the location. Decathlon is 4.5 kilometers. D-Mart is 4.7 kilometers from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So this project provides you all the apartment, those are unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with vitrified flooring, assessing, CCTV and many more. And now about the external amenities. So there are 60 plus world-class amenities. Let me show you in this wonderful miniature. So basically this is a grand clubhouse which is divided into 2 parts, which will be having all the indoor amenities with the swimming pool on the rooftop of the second clubhouse with jungle gym, gymnasium, open amphitheater and many more. Now about the parking provision. And Mana Dill provides you one type of car parking, that is the basement level. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Mana Dill. As you can see in the image, there are total of 6 towers, which is developed in 3 phases, with 2 towers in each phase. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plan. This is the floor plan of Tower 1 and Tower 2, with 4 flats, 3 lifts, 2 staircases, your 2 flats of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 4 BHK residencies. Let's now have a look at the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1480 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 2145 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out behind me, this is the phase 1. For phase 1 there are 2 towers. For the 1 tower 10 floor work is completed and for other tower 5th floor work is completed. And in phase 2 again there are 2 towers. So for 1 tower 3rd floor work is completed and for the 2nd tower 2nd floor work is completed. And what about the phase 3? It's for future development. Now about the possession part, so let me tell you, for the phase 1 the possession will be June 2027. For phase 2 the possession will be June 2029 and for phase 3 it's for future development and they are going to launch very soon. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of the residential project that is Mana Dill, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Mana Projects.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.